She was more than a queen. She was a mother and the heart of a dynasty that would shape the face of Europe for generations. Her reign lasted more than 60 years. An entire age was named after her, the Victorian era. She gave birth to 9 children, each sent into the courts of Europe, carrying her legacy with them. Her firstborn Victoria, bright, intelligent, and full of conviction. She became Empress of Germany and mother of Kaiser Wilhelm II. Edward, her heir, known for charm and scandal, he brought a new spirit to the monarchy as King Edward VII. Alice, full of compassion, she was the mother of Russia's last empress, whose tragic fate would echo across history. Alfred served in the Navy, then became a German duke, a life of duty between two worlds. Helena devoted her life to care, nursing, and reform, a quiet force for change behind palace walls. Louise, the rebel, she sculpted, painted, and defied tradition, one of Britain's first royal artists. Arthur served the empire with discipline and pride, a soldier until the very end. Leopold, the thoughtful prince, his hemophilia would haunt royal bloodlines for generations. Beatrice, the youngest, remained closest to her mother. She preserved Victoria's words and guarded her memory. 9 children, 42 grandchildren, through war and peace, through crowns and tragedies. Their mother's presence echoed through them all.
Echoes of Time. True crime, real lives, forgotten worlds.